Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, January 27th. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. And now to Payton with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Tonight, boys freshman basketball will be away at Orleans starting at 6. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Checking out the weather today, we won't see any rain today or in the next couple of days. Today we'll have a high of 40 and a low of 28. And then tomorrow on Tuesday we'll have a high of 39 and a low of 30. And on Wednesday we'll see the temperatures rise just a little bit with a high of 40 and a low of 29. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.